Good morning and welcome to today's class. Today we have to take next lecture of ray optics, that is ray optics lecture 5. Okay, here in the last two lectures we have seen that is how light is refracted through concave or convex surfaces first, and then that was followed by lens maker's formula, and we have described we have explained what are the convex and concave lenses. Okay. Well, and after this, today we have to take the lens formula. एक बार कॉन्केव सरफेस और कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस दोनों मिलाकर लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला हो गया, यानी लेंस को आपने मेक कर लिया, बना लिया. After that, what we need to formulate something for lens itself. Today we will take a formula related to a convex lens, and also we will see how we can derive for concave lens also. First we take convex lens, okay, and we know the position of object is always considered to be u with respect to the origin is taken always at the optical center, and the position of image or the distance of image from the optical center is v, and position of focus from the lens from the center of lens or the optical center of the lens is focal length f. Okay, we know lens always has two foci, focus 1 and focus 2. We have explained in previous lecture what are the focus 1 and focus 2. And remember, by means of sign convention, if we consider that optical center at the origin, then on one side, on left hand side, it is all the distances counted as negative, and on the right hand side, all the distances counted as positive. Okay, in other words, the distances counted in the direction of ray of light, incident ray of light is positive, and and all the distances taken in the direction opposite to the direction of ray incident ray, they are negative. ये साइन कन्वेंशन हो गया, जनरल what आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, minimum that I have discussed. Okay, now today we will discuss how we derive the lens formula for a convex lens. I have taken biconvex lens, mean both the sides have equal curvature and therefore their focal lengths are also equal. Whatever this is the focus position of focus 2, this is the position of focus 1. I am taking it as f dash, focus 2, and focus 1 is your f. This distance is f, by convention, sign convention is minus f, and this is your plus f. This is all. Now, if we have the object AB taken on left side of this, and then the ray of light first we take parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, that would convert that focus, and if we produce that line, and we just produce that line directly, and then we take another ray of light from the focus itself, and after refraction that would meet at infinity. That means that will not meet at focus, but that will meet at infinity. So वो parallel हो जाता है, principal axis के parallel हो जाता है. That becomes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, if we have two refracted ray, one is this one, other is this one, they must meet at the point B dash, and therefore A dash B dash will be the position of image. Here you can see this is I have placed the object beyond focus f. फोकस के पीछे बनाया, अगर फोकस के अंदर बनाते फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में, तो डायरेक्ट इमेज बनता और वर्चुअल इमेज बनता. वी आर नॉट टू टेक दैट थिंग, हम लोग एक अलग से उसके केस पिक बना कर दिखा देंगे बाद में, फिलहाल अभी इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है, तो हियर इट इज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज इज ऑब्टेन, मे बी एनलार्ज आल्सो. एनलार्जमेंट कैसे होगा वो बाद में देखेंगे, बट हियर वी कैन सी दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट AB and A dash B dash just inverted this your image. Clear? इतना आ गया. अब distance from optical center to this is your small e, and we take it minus u. इसको minus u से लिखते because of your sign convention, and this focal length is also equal to minus m, again because of the sign convention. Clear? Now you can see we can take the similar thing here. This distance is b, image. This is positive y because this is on the right side of this, and this is counted in the direction of incident ray. and therefore this distance is positive plus V, and this distance is plus F. OF dash is your plus F. मैंने पहले कहा बाई कॉन्वेक्स लेंस दैट मीन्स फोकल लेंथ ऑफ बोथ साइड आर इक्वल. क्लियर? इतना हो गया. और जब इतना हो जाएगा देन व्हाट वी हैव, दिस इज योर माइनस यू, दिस इज प्लस वी, and this is your minus f, this is plus f, and so on. Now we can see from the geometry of the diagram, it is very clear that triangle ABF and triangle ONF, they are similar triangles. जब ये सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स हो गए तो दोनों के साइड्स के जो रेशियो होगा, यू नो दिस इज पैरेलल टू दिस, देयरफॉर दिस इज आल्सो इक्वल टू a डैश b डैश. ठीक है, तो इनका रेशियो जो होगा इक्वल होगा दोनों साइड्स के. दैट वी कैन राइट ab अपॉन o and equal to AF upon FO. Okay, AB upon this one OM, this will be equal to AF upon FO. Okay, FO. This is there, and we can just write it again, AB upon A dash B dash, because ON is same as A dash B dash, and this is equal to AF. In place of AF, what we can write? Sorry, in place of AF, this is your V minus F. Sorry, U minus F. AF equal to how much? This is this minus this, U minus F. Okay, and similarly we have FO is F. FO is F. Now you must know that if we have this as your minus U and this as your minus F, therefore both the minus sign will be taken this side, and here also minus sign will be there, and they will just cancel out each other. We just have AB upon A dash B dash equal to U minus F, okay, divided by F. F O पे जगह आप केवल F लिख सकते हैं. तो जहां पर आपने ए बी लिखा, ध्यान दीजिएगा, जहां से ए डैश बी डैश रखा तो वहां पर क्या रखा आपने? ओ एन की जगह क्या रखा? ए डैश बी डैश. ओ एन की जगह ए डैश बी डैश, और ए एफ की जगह आपने यू माइनस एफ एंड एफ ओ की जगह एफ. तो दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Similarly, from on other side of the diagram, we may just consider, I am just taking this side, triangle OMF dash and triangle A dash B dash F dash are similar triangles. ये भी सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है, एम ओ एफ डैश और ए डैश बी डैश एफ डैश, ये भी सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है. इसमें भी हम लिख सकते हैं एम ओ अपॉन ए डैश बी डैश इक्वल्स टू एम ओ के साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग ये हो जाएगा ओ एफ डैश डिवाइडेड बाय दिस मच. ये क्या है आपका? दिस इज योर बी माइनस एफ डैश, सॉरी ओ एफ, दैट वी कैन राइट एफ डैश ए डैश, एफ डैश ए डैश. क्लियर? तो अब जब ये दो चीज अलग अलग आ गए तो हम लोग वी कैन जस्ट मॉडिफाई MO इक्वल टू AB because they are parallel. There we have AB upon A dash B dash equals to OF को जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं? What we can write? We can write F. In place of OF dash, we can write just F because focal length are equal on both sides. And F dash A, this can be B minus F, B minus F. That we have taken. Okay. Once we have this thing, V minus F and so on, now let us take this portion. And just remove the rest of the things. I am again repeating, MO is equivalent to this, and this upon this A dash B dash means AB upon A dash B dash. OF dash is just F upon F dash A dash. F dash A dash is nothing but it is equal to our what? It is equal to V minus F. Remember, here also we have seen that both F and this they are negative. Both are negative, in fact, and therefore U minus F when we take U minus F. Remember, तो U भी माइनस में होता है. This is minus, this is also minus. तो माइनस माइनस बाहर निकल आएगा. And this F is also taken in minus negative. तो वो भी बाहर निकल आएगा. तो माइनस माइनस ऊपर नीचे कैंसिल हो गया. Now this is your equation number 2. This is your equation number 2. Now we compare equation number 1 and 2. What we get? We get F upon V minus F equals to U minus F divided by U minus F divided by F. ये आ जाएगा. अब हम लोग इसको देखेंगे. Here we have F square and here we have UV minus we have VF and then we have minus F2 and plus F square plus F square. Okay, you can just assume that what we have just done, this F upon this touch, and we have U minus F upon this, and after having this, then this F square cancel out, and rest of the thing will be taken that side. And always remember, we at the final stage also we take U as negative. Okay, so we must take this one, this equation. We are left with UV and this is your VF minus plus F2. We know the focal length of convex lens is always positive and focal length of concave lens is your negative. Okay. Here focal length of convex lens positive, so we take F as positive, but U is always taken as negative. Therefore, this is negative UV, and this is positive, and this is again negative. Fu by sign convention. By sign convention. Okay, after having this, then what we need to have, we divide all the terms by UDF, we get minus 1 by x, 1 by u, minus 1 by b. Now we just take, we multiply both side by minus 1. We have 1 upon x equals to minus 1 by u plus 1 by b. That means 1 upon b minus 1 upon u. Therefore, 1 upon f equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon u is our Lenz formula. It is our Lenz formula that we have derived. Remember, while calculating this, we have to take only the magnitudes of the distance. No need to have any sign convention over there. But while having the final stage, we must use the sign convention because you know the negative positive has very important role to play while doing a lens by using a lens. It's very simple thing. So this is what we have this formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon u. This is called as Lenz formula. Remember, this is useful for concave as well as convex lenses both. They are very important. Okay. After this, we must take the same thing, same diagram, and let us take something else. Here we can also take a ray of light which can directly pass through the optical center. That will come undeviated. That will reflect undeviated. That means straight line में हो जाता है. तो एक अब देख सकते हैं कि एक ये ट्रायंगल भी ट्रायंगल ए बी ओ एंड ट्रायंगल ओ ए डैश बी डैश are also similar triangle, are also similar triangle. They are also similar triangles. That means what we have, if they are also similar triangles, then here also we have AB upon A dash B dash equal to this distance. AB may we take AO and then we take distance OA dash. OA dash. Okay. This is the size of object or size of image. Size of object upon size of image, and this is your position of object from the optical center. We take u, and this is the position of image from the optical center. This is a b. According to sign convention, if AB taken above the principal axis, they are positive. This is positive, and below the principal axis is negative. And therefore, here also we know u is negative and b is positive. So ultimately, there is no change. We have simply S dash upon h equals to b upon u. We have this formula S dash upon s equal to b upon u, and we know from the mirror itself, from the spherical mirror itself, or from any other thing, magnification formula. The size of image upon size of object. Size of image upon size of object comes out to be V upon U. Okay? V upon U. And this is what we have. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? We call it as median magnification. This is called linear magnification denoted by small m. Therefore, you have seen linear magnification equal to size of image upon size of object, that is equal to E upon U. That we have also derived from the same very diagram, from the same very calculations. Okay. This is also another formula for lens. Well, when we have such lenses, then we know, suppose we take a lens, a concave lens, for concave lens, we have this type of situation like this. We take this as object taken from AB. This is the incident ray, and after reflection, they are diverted, and when diverted ray is brought in the backward direction, opposite direction, it must pass to the focus. Its principal focus is always negative. Always remember, focus टू जो होता है वो उसका प्रिंसिपल फोकस होता है. तो यहाँ पर जो है कॉन्केव का उल्टा होता है. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल फोकस. इट इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. कॉन्वेक्स का इधर होता है प्रिंसिपल फोकस F2. Okay. Now after this, what we have? Another ray will be taken from the optical center, undeviated. The concave हो या convex हो हमेशा undeviated होता है. This is your second ray. Where both the ray meet each other, it is the position of A dash B dash. It is the position of A dash B dash. Remember, here we can have this type of situation where this point is M, this point is O. We can even join them. Now, for this also, this is your U. This distance is your U, and this distance is your V. And U and V both are negative, and focal length is this distance. This one is focal length. तो यहाँ पर similar triangle क्या क्या हम ले सकते हैं? What similar triangle we can take? We can take AB O, one triangle. Other is A dash B dash, A dash B dash O. एक similar triangle ये हम ले सकते हैं. And rest of the thing what we can take? Another similar triangle we take O M F and A dash B dash F. बिल्कुल similar system हो जाएगा. So here also we can take this formula 1 upon F equal to 1 upon B minus 1 upon U. I am again telling you what are the similar triangles here. Number one is triangle AB, ABO, ABO, and second one is triangle A dash B dash O. एक ये और एक ये सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स है, आर सिमिलर. And similarly we have ABO and this triangle sorry, not this triangle, sorry, OMF, triangle OMF and triangle A dash B dash F, triangle A dash B dash F are similar triangles. Therefore, they are similar triangles. We have just observed that here the pair of similar triangles are this, number one, number two. By using the similar method, we can derive the same very formula for concave lens also. In that way, we have discussed what are the rays, what are the lenses, concave and convex, and also we have seen what is the lens maker's formula in previous lecture. Now, what is the lens formula for convex as well as concave lens? Okay, calculation step is the same. That is why I have not repeated, but I have mentioned that there we have this thing in our mind. Remember here UVF, all the things will be negative because they are all counted opposite the direction of incident ray. Therefore, there is no such calculation problem even in the formulating it. We have to take this into account and solve it. Okay, and we have also seen what is the effect of placing an object between the focus and optical center. In case of concave lens, we know that all the images, wherever with the object we place, the image is always virtual, erect and small in size. You can see here we have placed it beyond the focus, what we have done in convex lens. Right. But there the image was real and inverted. Here, for this case, for concave lens, we see that image is inverted as well as it is small in size. Sorry, it is erect as well as virtual. For concave lens, the image is always erect and virtual, smaller in size. Uh, Unlike those of convex lens, where the image is inverted as well as real. But I must tell you, in one case, you can also have image by convex lens, which is to be virtual. That is not every time it is not giving you the real image, it may also give you the virtual image. Suppose we are having this type of situation. Now, after refraction, it must pass to the focus. Here the focus, and another ray we directly take from the focus itself. We have to produce this line and this, and now we take another ray from optical center. Wherever they meet, this is the position of your image. This is the special case for convex lens. When object is placed between the focus and the optical center. Here, in such case, image is virtual, enlarged, and erect. You can just observe all the three qualities, all the three properties over here. And this thing we will discuss in detail when we discuss the optical instruments, where we discuss the your magnification for your simple microscope. It is in fact a simple microscope diagram, and we will discuss it only when we discuss the optical instrument. With that, we have completed today's lecture, and I think you have already understood all the steps. And please practice yourself so that everything will be good. Okay, thank you.